There are many ways to work with artificial intelligence, AI. Some common ways include implementing AI algorithms. You can use pre-built AI algorithms or libraries to add AI capabilities to your software or system. For example, you can use a machine learning library to add predictive capabilities to your application. Developing AI models. You can develop your own AI models by training them on large datasets. This requires a strong understanding of machine learning algorithms and techniques. Using AI as a service. There are many AI as a service providers that allow you to use their pre-built AI models and algorithms through an API. This can be a quick and easy way to add AI capabilities to your applications without having to develop your own models. Building intelligent systems. You can build intelligent systems that use AI techniques such as machine learning and natural language processing to interact with users and perform tasks. Researching AI. If you are interested in exploring the latest developments in AI, you can conduct research in the field. This may involve studying and experimenting with different AI algorithms and approaches, and publishing your findings in academic papers or blogs. To work with AI, it is helpful to have a strong foundation in math and computer science, as well as familiarity with machine learning algorithms and techniques. It is also important to stay up to date with the latest developments in the field. Developing AI algorithms. If you have expertise in machine learning, data science, or a related field, you can develop AI algorithms that can be used to build intelligent systems. Building AI-powered applications. You can use AI algorithms and tools to build applications that can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. Working with AI platforms. There are many AI platforms available that allow you to build and deploy AI-powered applications without needing to develop the algorithms yourself. Integrating AI into existing systems. You can integrate AI capabilities into existing systems and processes to improve efficiency and effectiveness. Researching AI. If you are interested in the field of AI, you can conduct research in areas such as machine learning, natural language processing, or computer vision. Using AI tools. There are many AI tools and services available that you can use to analyze data, build predictive models, and automate tasks. Regardless of which approach you choose, it is important to have a strong foundation in mathematics, computer science, and statistics, as well as a good understanding of the ethical and societal implications of AI.